Discovery Channel for like me and Pipo Sanchez.
Yeah, I remember.
Broke the windshield. They kept breaking windshields immediately.
Yes, sir.
Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
I can get in right here. Go ahead. Thank you, man. I appreciate it.
It's been a long time. All right, man. Trying to stay busy, pay bills.
Still, I see you out there fucking busting ass, man, do this.
So your name's Scott Bowman.
Yes.
I've heard of you from YouTube. I've seen your videos for years from demos. So nice to meet you. I've been wanting to hear this for a while.
Yeah, I did Arthur Grimes.
Arthur Grimes,
Just picked it
412.
up like a couple days ago.
Okay.
He's supposed to be here, but he might have to work.
Whoa. So what is in here real quick before you demo?
6 Sundown Nightshade 15 V4s, the Neos,
Okay. Yeah.
and 3 12K salts.
Okay.
C-Max.
Whoa.
I'm not
Wow.
C-Max. Roto batteries.
That's all right.
Everybody's been calling them C-Max. I'm
C-Max.
Like,
Yes, sir. Wow. Have you metered it? How are you metering?
with my last setup was close to 65.
Wow.
And Chris's was a little over 66.
66. Okay.
But that's on perf.
Yes, sir. Wow.
But these break. This is number 14, so
Okay.
I don't compete no more.
Yes, sir.
I'm just trying to have fun.
Yes, sir. All right.
This box I've reused 3 times in the past 12, 13 years.
Yes, sir.
I built the shell in 2009.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 2009. And Jacob's first set of Nightshade 18.
Yes.
I did a bird box. I don't know why I did that because I swear I never did do another bird box.
Yeah.
Then I did fourth order with 12 SA12s.
Okay.
And that's the one I'm on Discovery Channel for like me and Pipo Sanchez.
Yeah. I remember.
Broke the windshield. They kept breaking windshields immediately.
Yes,
so
sir.
Then in 2011, I built this to get ready for Daytona in
Wow.
2012.
Oh man. I remember you on the brown note too. You made the seat. The seat. There you go.
Yeah, that's how I started out.
Yeah.
You know, it was
Hey, Jess. Jess.
Sit back and relax.
Gee, what note was that?
I think it was 37.
That isn't crazy. For 37 hertz, that's wild, man.
This box I've reused 3 times in the past 12, 13 years. I built the shell in 2009.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 2009. And Jacob's first set of Nightshade 18.
Yes.
I did a vert box. I don't know why I did that because I swore never to do another vert box. Then I did 4th order with 12 SA12s.
Okay.
And that's the one I'm on Discovery Channel for like me and Pipo Sanchez.
Yeah. I remember.
Broke the windshield. They kept breaking windshields immediately.
Yes,
So
sir.
then in 2011, I built this to get ready for Daytona in 2012.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.